Welcome to Geek Chic Lab, the place where AI, technology, and science come together in exciting and accessible ways. If you're curious about how artificial intelligence is changing the world, or just love discovering the latest breakthroughs in science, you're in the right place. We're here to make complex topics interesting and easy to understand, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a science lover, or just someone who's curious about the future. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of AI and science with us, don't forget to hit subscribe and join the journey. My name is Noura, and I'm the lead scientist in our lab. I'll be introducing my colleagues throughout future episodes. Let's get started and uncover how AI is shaping our world.
As AI reshapes how we see and understand the world, it's challenging our sense of reality and changing daily life. In this video, we'll explore the impact of AI and how we can adapt to this new, evolving landscape. Hi, I'm Aris, and I'm here to guide you through it all. Let's dive in. As we navigate through 2025, the proliferation of artificial intelligence, AI tools, is profoundly influencing our perception of reality. The integration of AI into various facets of daily life is reshaping how individuals interpret information, interact with technology, and understand the world around them. AI technologies, particularly generative models, have become adept at creating highly realistic images, videos, and text. This capability challenges traditional notions of authenticity, as distinguishing between genuine and AI-generated content becomes increasingly difficult. For instance, during crises, AI-generated fake images can circulate rapidly, exacerbating public panic and spreading misinformation. Moreover, AI's role in content creation has led to the emergence of websites that mimic reputable news outlets, using AI-generated or plagiarized content to deceive readers and divert advertising revenue from legitimate sources. Public sentiment towards AI in 2025 is marked by a mixture of apprehension and cautious optimism. Surveys indicate that a significant portion of the population harbors concerns about AI's growing presence in daily life. A Pew Research Center survey revealed that 52% of Americans are more concerned than excited about AI's integration into daily activities, with only 10% expressing more excitement than concern. Additionally, discussions around AI's potential to achieve sentience have surfaced, with studies showing that 63% of respondents support a ban on AI systems surpassing human intelligence, reflecting widespread apprehension about the ethical and existential implications of advanced AI. By 2030, AI tools are expected to be deeply integrated into many aspects of daily life, and the way reality is perceived and experienced will be significantly influenced by advancements in technology. Here's a glimpse of what could happen and how people might react. AI, along with augmented reality and virtual reality, will likely blur the lines between physical and virtual worlds. People could have the ability to access virtual environments, work, socialize, and even travel digitally through VR, allowing individuals to experience life in new ways without leaving their homes. Augment physical spaces. With AR glasses or implants, people could interact with the world by overlaying digital information onto real-life surroundings, enhancing everything from shopping to entertainment. AI will offer extreme levels of personalization, from healthcare to entertainment. Customized daily experiences. AI will predict needs, automate tasks, and offer suggestions tailored to individual preferences, creating highly personalized lives. Autonomous assistants. AI-driven virtual assistants will manage schedules, finances, and even provide companionship. There could be a significant portion of the population who choose to stay home more often, especially as AI and immersive tech make it easier to live a fulfilling life without stepping outside. Rise of remote living. With AI-driven remote work and digital services, people might not need to leave their homes for work or daily tasks. Healthcare and well-being. Advances in telemedicine, home robotics, and AI-driven health monitoring will allow people to manage health from home. It's difficult to pinpoint an exact percentage, but 15 to 30% of the population could potentially never leave their homes regularly due to the convenience, safety, and immersive experiences AI and tech provide. With automation and AI-driven systems handling more tasks, job displacement. Many industries may see job losses due to automation, particularly in roles like manufacturing, customer service, and even parts of the healthcare sector. Some people may find it difficult to transition into new roles, new job opportunities. On the other hand, AI will likely create new industries and job roles, especially around the development, management, and ethical oversight of AI systems. The rise of AI and immersive technology will change the way people interact with each other. Social isolation versus connection. Some may struggle with social isolation, as the traditional ways of interacting with people could feel less necessary or meaningful. Others will form deep connections in virtual spaces, where socializing with avatars or AI entities becomes common. People who spend most of their time online or in virtual worlds might experience mental health challenges, such as loneliness or difficulty distinguishing between real and virtual relationships. On the other hand, some may benefit from enhanced social and emotional support through AI-driven therapy and companion bots. The widespread use of AI will raise critical ethical issues, privacy concerns. With so much personal data being collected by AI, there will be ongoing debates about how to protect individual privacy and who has access to the data. Bias and fairness. AI algorithms may reinforce existing biases unless careful attention is paid to their development. People may demand increased transparency and fairness in AI systems. Not everyone will experience these changes in the same way. Some people, especially in underdeveloped regions, may not have access to these technologies, leading to increased inequality between those who can benefit from AI and those who cannot. Globalization. As AI bridges communication and logistical gaps, people will have access to global opportunities in ways not previously possible, creating new economies and markets. By 2030, AI will reshape reality in profound ways, offering convenience, entertainment, and new possibilities, while also creating new challenges in terms of social connection. People will react differently. Some will embrace the AI-powered future, while others might resist, concerned about privacy, loss of jobs, or a sense of human connection. The percentage of the population that never leaves their homes will likely increase as remote living becomes more common, but it's unlikely to be the majority. Social and mental health impacts will be central to discussions about this shift, requiring new support systems and frameworks. The future is rapidly approaching, and these changes will impact every aspect of our lives, from how we work to how we interact with each other. As AI continues to reshape our world, it's up to all of us to decide how we navigate this new reality. What are your thoughts on the future? Are you excited for these advancements, or do you have concerns? How do you think these changes will affect our daily lives and relationships? Let's continue this conversation in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date on the latest trends in AI and technology, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you. Let's discuss what the future holds. If you're curious about how AI will impact specific industries or everyday life, let us know in the comments, and we might explore it in future videos.